Yo! Your video, stand up or sit down. So what you want to do? You know you're going to do. Watch it. You know, it's going to be a banger. Amen. I didn't forget to do the intro today, so I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your AirPod Pros if they stop working. So, yeah. Hi, man. So, a video. Alright boys, it is like 11:30 a.m. and I'm just getting out of bed now because 11:30 a.m. is like the time you get out of bed these days, you know what I'm saying, in the world of the world. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. I am announcing now today, August, let's look, 16th 2020, that next year I am officially challenging Jacob and James from J&J Vlogs to 2 separate 50 freestyle races if they are still with the team at 11:52 a.m. Challenge is set. I'm ready. All right, boys, let me get new shoes. Here we go. I need 13.5 size, but there's only like 13s and 15s and 14s. I'm having some real issues here. Alright, my mom found a 14 and they're pretty good. Feel nice and good. So, I think I'm gonna get these. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna get these, but I actually like these. These are here. They got no laces, so they're good. I really think I meant these. I'm not sure though, maybe. Alright, so got the shoes and new insoles, so and I got the ones with no laces, so yep. Alright boys, so I'm gonna show you guys a quick technique. Get your AirPod Pros when they get a little, clogged, to get the tips nice and unclogged. Alright, so once you take them out of your nice case thing, you want to take your little tip things out, you know what I'm saying? Just take them out. Nice and simple.
To the right around 2-ish.
Nice and simple. Okay, so now you have your two tips, and then here's the normal AirPod Pros. All right, so after that, you want to go, fill like a cup of any size with warm. Emphasize that warm water. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna chuck them in there. Just gonna take these things and throw them in there. Ready? Pop and pop. And you're just gonna want to like move them. One of them just sinks for me usually, and one of them doesn't. Just move them around, make sure they get all in the water moved around, okay? And then let it sit there for a while, and all of a sudden they'll be back to normal. So yeah, perfect. Alrighty boys, it's been a while, and then I finished, just put it out, and now we're all good, so yes. Alright, so I haven't really vlogged at all today, so I'm gonna get some ice cream out of this refrigerator right here, and yes. This has a lot, this has nothing, this has a lot. Take this one. Oh, both over here. Ooh, I just got dizzy. It's scary. Look, it's magically opened. All right, everybody. Done. Bop.
Good morning, everybody, or good night. Most people watch this at night. I'm sleeping on the floor right now, on my mattress. Maya's still sleeping. She's right there. She's still sleeping. So yeah, we're in our new room, but we don't have our beds yet, so we're sleeping on the floor, on our mattresses. But it's in our new room. I'll give you a preview of this wall. This is where the bed's gonna be. And then it's too messy right now to show you because all the boxes are in here of all our clothes and stuff. But yeah, I'm excited. Sup, everybody? It is like 10 a.m. now, and I'm organizing my new room. See, I'm sitting at my desk. It's still my same old desk. I'm organizing it. See, I'm putting all my stuff on my bookshelf over here. I'm organizing all like the pens and clips and everything. The drawers, I'm organizing them. There's a lot of boxes and boxes. Like the bookshelves are filled with their books now. Our beds are still on the floor. I got a TV in our room now because it's my parents' TV, and it doesn't fit in our old room because it's too tiny. Here's my clothes gonna be. I'm still organizing all of it because we're waiting for the hanger part, but it's coming along, everybody. Not that any of you care, but new rooms ago. Sorry about the huge mess in the back. We're still trying to unpack everything, and my parents' room is being painted right now, so all their stuff's in this room still. But yeah. Sup, y'all? Unfortunately, I didn't read a book this week because I don't know. I'm really slacking. I was so busy with the new room, I didn't read a book. So I recommend you all go read, and iCloud is an online reading thing, so you don't even need a hard copy book. You can read books online. And then, oh wait, hold on.
Alright, bro, you guys ready for the craziest trick shot you've ever seen in your life? Here, let me show you. From the corner, which is pretty hard to see. I'm using tinfoil ball. I'm not even using a normal basketball. So I'm gonna shoot it like that. So then go in, end up in there. I don't care how many tries it takes. I'm aiming for like under 50. I'm hoping. So let's get right to it. 2 angles. Let's do attempt 1. Or 2. 40. Why are these ones stuck? Oh, well. It stopped. So this, I guess I ran out of storage, so you're not gonna see me shooting over there. 42. 43. 44. No way, 53. There we go. It took me 53 tries to fail, so I'm done.
That's ever happened.
We got Haley and Alex in a cage here with the bunny. What's this bunny's name?
Sparrow.
Sparrow. We got Sparrow. He kind of looks like a cow bunny. There's Casey.
It's not gonna stop no matter.
And then Cassie, who are you holding?
I don't know, Jack. Liam.
Liam the bunny. And then Aiden has Jack the bunny. And Carol.
I have Elsa.
Elsa the bunny. And then, are there any more bunnies? No, the little bunnies are over there. But yeah, we're playing with bunnies, everybody. Have you ever done one? Sup, everybody? We're at the pool. Right, Kari? Where's Kari? Kari's over there. We're in the pool, trying to do stuff off the diving board. So we see Casey doing good job, and then I go in, I'm gonna land on my back, everybody.
How do you have to teach me?
Move, Caroline.
Wait, I should run like she did.
Oh my God, Anya.
Run in.
Run, it's easier.
Are you ready? Yes.
Yeah, Anya.
Caroline, you're gonna get hit.
Move your butt, Caroline. Yeah, Aiden. Is it raining so hard?
Haley, well, first of all, you went like this. Second, you like. Why do I go so shallow? Oh God.
She did. You almost slammed. Ready? 3,
Don't hit your head.
2, 1.
You'll die.
'Alright, everybody. Walk on. I'm going on a walk cause why not? Walks are more fun at Wildwood because I can get on the boardwalk, got the new shoes on. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Guys, I think these are the most comfortable things I've ever walked in. I don't know if it's the actual shoe or just the insoles that I have because of my feet. But these are so freaking soft and comfortable. Like, it feels like I'm walking on clouds and it feels so good. Oh yeah. I just heard a dog bark with like a really deep voice. It's like, I'm like, I was so scared. I thought I was gonna die, but I didn't die. Let's go. All right. New shoe review. Shoes themselves, I'd say they're fine, but the insoles I bought. Use my flat feet, so I need insoles. It says their size is 7 through 13. I'm size 13, so I'm like, great. And they're green, so I like green, so I'm like, cool. And my feet are starting to hurt because they suck. They're too small. 7 through 13, what is this? Is that Michael up there? No, it's not. Okay, I'm going back to my house. Maybe. But that's ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? None of my feet are sliding in there because they suck and
Yo, we're gonna end the vlog here, everybody. Anybody want to say anything? Send in the vlog.
Hi, Eric.
Now show him my baby.
Alex is terrified of bunnies.
Oh my God, stop.
Anybody? Okay, everybody, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy,
Stay healthy.
you.
Stay healthy. Coronavirus. School is started.
Don't do what we're doing and having a
Backstage
party.
footage
Like,
of this whole vlog
Yeah,
thing.
everybody, stay safe. I already said that, but anyways, now.
All right, just got done. Maybe done with my walk, but I don't know if I'm gonna be done with my walk. But you know what I'm saying, I'll just end the vlog here because why not? Yeah. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video, man. Hey, tomorrow's Monday. Almost felt like 3 hours today. And that's all the time. See you next time.